Have you ever wondered why Saturn is the only planet in our solar system with such vibrant and visible rings? Picture this, a celestial ballet of countless particles, each a tiny dancer pirouetting in the silent expanse of space. These particles, composed of ice and rock, create the stunning rings that have become Saturn's signature look. But where did they come from? The answer might surprise you. Scientists theorize that these rings are the remnants of a moon that was torn apart by Saturn's immense gravitational pull. This celestial body could have been destroyed millions of years ago, its fragments caught in the planet's gravitational dance, creating the rings we see today. Like a cosmic phoenix, the moon's destruction gave birth to something new and beautiful. So the next time you see a picture of Saturn's rings, remember they might just be the ghost of a moon long gone. Beyond its rings, Saturn is a gas giant with a fascinating atmosphere. But what exactly is it made of? Well, let's delve into the celestial secrets of this distant titan. Saturn's atmosphere is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, the two lightest elements in the universe. These gases create a thick, cloud-covered atmosphere that gives Saturn its distinctive yellowish-brown hue. The high concentration of hydrogen and helium makes Saturn the only planet in our solar system that is less dense than water. Imagine that, a planet that could float in a bathtub, if only we could find a bathtub large enough. Now, hydrogen and helium aren't the only players in Saturn's atmospheric composition. Trace amounts of other gases like methane and ammonia also make up the mix. These gases, while not as abundant, play a significant role in shaping Saturn's weather patterns and creating its iconic storms. Speaking of storms, Saturn is home to some of the most intense weather phenomena in the solar system. It's known for its raging storms, some of which can even be seen from Earth. The most famous of these is the hexagonal storm that swirls at the planet's North Pole. This stunning phenomenon, with its six-sided shape, has been baffling scientists since its discovery in the early 80s. So, from its hydrogen-rich atmosphere to its hexagonal hurricane, Saturn is a world of wonders. Saturn's swirling storms and hexagonal winds make it a truly unique planet in our solar system. Saturn is not a lonely planet, it's surrounded by a whopping 82 moons. Imagine that, 82 celestial companions, each with their own unique features and mysteries. Today, let's explore a couple of these fascinating moons, Titan and Enceladus. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, and the second largest in our solar system, is a world of its own. It is the only moon known to have a dense atmosphere and the only known body in space, other than Earth, where clear evidence of stable bodies of surface liquid has been found. But don't pack your swimsuits just yet. These are not bodies of water, but vast seas and lakes of liquid methane and ethane. Picture it, a world where it rains gasoline. This distinctive feature makes Titan a subject of great interest and study. Now, let's turn our attention to Enceladus, a smaller moon, but not less intriguing. Enceladus is known for its icy surface that reflects almost all of the sunlight that reaches it. But what makes this moon remarkable are the icy geysers erupting from its south pole. These geysers are believed to be connected to an underground ocean, suggesting the potential for microbial life. This makes Enceladus one of the most promising places in our solar system for the search for extraterrestrial life. Titan and Enceladus are just two examples from Saturn's extensive lunar family. Each moon, from Mimas with its Death Star-like appearance to Iapetus with its contrasting dark and light regions, holds its own secrets and challenges our understanding of the celestial world. Saturn's system, with its diverse range of moons, is more than just a planetary system. It's a miniature cosmos, each moon a unique world, each with its own story, its own allure, and its own set of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. With each moon offering a unique environment, Saturn's system is a miniature cosmos of its own. Despite being the second largest planet in our solar system, Saturn spins at an incredible speed. This gas giant's day is so fleeting that it lasts only about 10.5 hours. Yes, you heard that right. In the time it takes for most of us to wake up and go about our daily routines, Saturn has already completed a full rotation on its axis. This rapid rotation causes the planet to bulge at its equator, giving it an oblate or flattened shape. Now, while Saturn's day might be brief, its year is anything but. It takes Saturn a staggering 29.5 Earth years to complete a single orbit around the Sun. Imagine that. Most of us would celebrate only 2 or 3 birthdays in a Saturnian year. This long orbit and fast rotation have intriguing effects on Saturn's shape. The planet's swift spin causes it to have a wider equatorial diameter than polar diameter. This means that Saturn is not a perfect sphere, but rather an oblate spheroid. These fascinating characteristics of Saturn's rotation and orbit not only make it a unique member of our solar system, but also a subject of ongoing scientific study. Researchers continue to investigate how these factors influence the planet's weather patterns, ring system, and overall structure. So, while a year on Saturn might seem endless, a day passes by in the blink of an eye. Saturn, with its bright rings, stormy atmosphere, and multitude of moons, is a planet full of surprises. Let's take a moment to marvel at the wonders we've unraveled today. The enigma of Saturn's rings, believed to be remnants of comets, asteroids, or shattered moons that were caught in Saturn's gravitational pull. Then there's the intriguing atmosphere of Saturn, a swirling mix of hydrogen and helium, punctuated by violent storms and jet streams, painting a picture of a planet in constant tumult. And let's not forget the staggering number of moons orbiting this gas giant, a grand total of 82, each with its own unique story to tell. Lastly, the swift rotation and lengthy orbit of Saturn, a testament to its size and position in our solar system. Our journey through the cosmos is far from over. As we continue to explore the cosmos, who knows what other secrets Saturn has in store for us?